first one?
We're tracking Gonzalo, Tropical Storm Gonzalo. On course, they say. This is from express.co.uk this morning, right? Today's 24th? Yep. Says they're tracking the storm as it's on course to become the first hurricane of the 2020 Atlantic hurricane season as it strengthens with a supply of warm water ahead of Gonzalo on its path. Warmer than usual for this time of year. Strengthening is forecast, according to CNN meteorologist Taylor Ward. Given the increased organization of the system and its small size, Gonzalo's likelihood of becoming a hurricane is rising. Small storms are prone to more significant fluctuations in intensity, both up and down. So Gonzalo, is located around 685 miles east of the southeast of the southern Windward Islands. Maximum sustained winds of 60 miles per hour. You have to get to 75, right, to the hurricane. So it's not quite yet a Category 1, which is classified 74 to 95 miles per hour.
Can keep up that shot, because if that follows the path, it's coming straight at us.
Actually, last night I saw people saying it was further south of Jamaica.
Yeah, but if it follows that path, it will cover us for sure.
It will potentially dangerous.
Yeah.
Currently, a hurricane watch is in effect for Barbados and Vincent and the Grenadines. Tropical storm watch in effect for Tobago and Grenada and its dependencies. And then I guess we continue to watch with two eye wide open.
Well, we certainly hope that it either dissipates or swerves.
Dissipate now.
Or swerve.
What it do? Dissipate.
Or whatever.
What it name?
So,
No, you make me confused. Because me always talk foolishness.
Yeah, so you confuse
Dissipate.
Dissipate?
Dissipate?
What did it say?
Dissipate.
Where you say?
I say dissipate. But then I also say sophisticate. So sometimes I'm not sure.
You are
so I will Google it.
Google it and tell me what it is. In the meantime, new garbage trucks, 150 the number of trucks in the NSWMA fleet, although I'm told not all are operational. They've acquired 20 new garbage trucks. That makes, as we said, 150. After the 27 will be assigned to the metropolitan parks and markets, 5 to the western parks and markets, 4 to the southern parks, and 4 for northeastern parks and markets. There you go. And I quote the Prime Minister, the government is serious about increasing the fleet and therefore increasing the service. The 63 trucks received from 2016 to 2020 came at a cost of 357 million. What is the word?
Dissipate.
Okay. So you're right. What's the next one?
I'm always right.
No, you're not.
No, I'm not.
Well, most times you
This
are.
is a big deal. Jamaicans among Rolling Stone top 50 bassists. 2 of Jamaica's top bass players had to be in there. Robbie Shakespeare, one half of the prolific rhythm twins, Sly and Robbie, and Aston Family Man Barrett have been named among a top 50 list of best bassists from across the globe. It's the 50 greatest bassists of all time list compiled by the prestigious Rolling Stone magazine. And it sees the Jamaicans appearing at number 17 and 28 respectively. This is a big deal, guys. I don't know if you realize. The Gleaner reached out to Robbie. He said, quote, "Boy, I appreciate the fact that others looking in can see what we're doing for the music. This makes me feel like a baby," he said. No matter how much people hail Sly and Robbie as the legends, and despite 2 Grammy wins and 11 nominations, we never ever feel like anything we get in life, we must get it. Lots of sleepless nights, a lot of eatless nights too. Enough time to go to bed hungry, so remember these things and take stock. Said he's grateful. Also said Aston Family Man is somebody he looks up to. Aston Barrett says he's his mentor. Big up to you guys. Big up to you both. This is really fantastic. Aston, let me just Google Aston. I don't know much about Aston Barrett.
I think he's gone.
So I'm just going to ask you.
Yeah, I think he's gone. Played with Bob Marley and the Wailers Band for many years.
Okay.
For many years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, this is great.
It's brilliant.
Congratulations to you, Sir Robbie. Good people to you know, as you would know. Okay.
That's it.
So you have on that shirt, you're going to country? Look like you could be going to country this morning to rediscover Jamaica. You have on the right.
I want to.
You have on the right outfit.
Yeah, I want to.
Look like a local
But
tourist.
I saw Jamaica people was dressed.
You don't have any problem with any bees from there?
We don't reach out the road too tough yet. But that's how we must dress being in the tropics. I mean, I love to see like flowing dresses and stuff. We're in the tropics. We must. And I'm from somewhere that you dress according to the weather. Serious, even in the summertime, even the police officers wear shorts.
Canada?
Yeah, because it's so cold. But we had an interview here. Delia spoke with the director of tourism. Hi, God.
Say right?
No, man.
Who? Minister?
No,
Director
man.
of tourism
He's
or
going to
director
kill
of
me.
TEF? Kerry?
No, director of tourism. He's going to kill me.
Donovan?
Donovan White. Donovan going to kill me. So,
There goes
maybe
your
because I used to go
room.
to KC, Donovan. You're easy to forget. But he's my friend.
Whoa!
But I'm a virgin.
Wow, Nev, that was harsh.
He was here yesterday talking to Delia.
Oh, there's a
about it.
waterfall. Ask him where
Yeah,
this is
and you
can
know,
go.
strange enough, this has been around before. This is not just necessarily because of COVID-19. Rediscover Jamaica has
Yeah,
been
they've had
been a
programs for
promotion
staycating
for a
before.
long time. So that looks nice, man.
You know
Waterfall,
what?
me say.
Kevoy,
Yeah,
Tammy,
yeah,
Marissa,
yeah.
Mama Malik Powell who used to work here.
I remember
don't know if he
Malik.
still does it. Every weekend them go to another river / waterfall / body of water. You can link with them and they will take you. Right, guys? Malik has an adventure squad. You want to imagine them.
Squad thing. No,
Well, he can take you by himself.
no, I'm an
Just
introvert.
make sure you buy
I just want my personal friend with me, and
Which personal friend?
I was going to invite you, but I don't know if you're interested in going.
I should never have asked.
Okay, you just put
I always
yourself-
walk right
Yeah.
into
So
the...
tell me no on television and both me, no?
If you... What? That
I'm
cannot go
inviting
go?
you to go rafting with me.
Okay.
That look there, make I just don't trust you. You see that look? Okay.
All right.
All right.
No, whenever
no,
I changed my mind.
Okay,
No,
what?
no, no.
Well, no, you just said okay. I said I'm
Meaning-
inviting you. You said okay, you're
I said
inviting
okay.
me. Okay means what?
Okay, yes, I will go, but I changed my
No,
mind.
you can't change the mind.
No,
All
I changed
people-
my mind.
National television. When you see me next week and we have a feature, you see me sets up in the river.
In the river,
On the river. Oh, the tune go again?
on the bank.
No, I mean in the bank thing.
You have to wear a
in the river.
vest. You better be in the bank thing, guy. Bank thing.
All right, folks.
Yeah.
News is coming up. See? So we're going to go for a break. Then when we come back, we're going to go over Studio B. Then we're going to have news. Then we're going to come back here. So don't move. Zine?
Good answer.